This is a review of the Dreamora Fly outdoor projection lights that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys everything about the lights and functions of these things, because it's not just a Halloween outdoor projection light. It also does Christmas lights. So it does a bunch of settings. It has over different types of effects. And you can see here, one of the few things I want to state is RGB. It does RGB, red, green, blue. It has a remote control. It's IP44, which means it is weather resistant and waterproof, and it has a high brightness level. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got everything out of the package, and you can see this is the projector light right over here, the wire right over here, so it's wired. And then from here, you have two ways to mount this up. You could either mount this up to your wall. It comes with the screws provided right over here in the hardware. And then either that, or you could just stick it underneath your ground, so pretty much underneath the grass. If you have mulch on your house, you could put it underneath the mulch. What I'm going to do probably is that I'm probably going to mount it, like I'm going to use this to mount it pretty much like where my mulch is, and, stick it underneath. And I do want to say this remote control, it comes with this too. Different types of functions and different settings, which I'll show you guys towards the end of the video. Then we have this mounting too. If you're going to mount it, you can mount it onto your wall. It's pretty much like a wall mount. So you have two different ways to mount it up. The wire is right over here. It comes with instructions in case if you get stuck or lost on something. But other than that, I do want to say the quality of this is really amazing. Just by looking at it, it looks high quality. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to go outside and pretty much test this product out and, show you guys the different functions that this projector has and why this projection light is probably one of the best lights that you could get. And yeah, without going further, let's pretty much get everything up together and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so this right here is the finished results, and you can see I have it mounted into my mulch, and right over here it's right there, and I hidden the wires. I tucked it underneath so that way it's hidden and everything, it's not visible. And now this is the finished results, and it really is a game-changing experience to have for your home. It changed up the whole exterior of my home. I'm overall happy with this product, and this is the Christmas effects. And I do want to say there's about 26 different effects you can have as well too. So this is the Christmas theme that you can see right over here. The Christmas theme looks absolutely phenomenal, and I could also change it to also Halloween as well too, which I'll do in a second. So this right here is the Christmas one. You can see the reindeer, the Santa, and pretty much the snowman. It changes then the Christmas tree. There's so much different effects, and I love you can also change the colors too, which I'll show you guys in a second on the remote. And from there, I'll show you guys the Halloween effects. But it changes to RGB. You can have different ambience, red, green, blue, different, purplish, and then orange, mixed colors that you see right now. But now I'm going to be showing you guys the Halloween effect. Okay, so I got the Halloween mode set up, and this is the Halloween mode right over here. So you can see different color effects. You can see the Halloween, pumpkins, bats, ghost, and then you see spiders, a bat. You can see then a skull right there. It has different, like I told you guys, 26 different effects, and it changes as it keeps going. You could set up to that. You can also have it in a solid color. You can have it RGB. You could have it, it has a lot of different effects that you could change it, and it's up to your preference. Then you see an eyeball right over there. It's different types, and then pretty much a ghost right there, and then we get a skull right there, and another pumpkin right over there. It's a lot of different color effects. I'm overall absolutely, this says Happy Halloween right over there. This is definitely something cool to have, and the reason why I say so is because you can have two different modes. So you can have a Halloween mode, and then you can also have a Christmas mode. So when it's Christmas around the corner, you could pretty much underneath this box, you could pretty much change it right there. And then you can also do that too with your remote, and then from there you could change it to two ways. One is a Halloween mode, one is a Christmas mode, and that is really a cool game-changing thing to have, because if Halloween's over, then you have Christmas. And it really is, I overall am happy with this product. And if you're looking for something to give ambience to your home during the holidays, during Halloween, then this right here is definitely a game-changing product to have, because it changed the whole exterior of my home. And overall, it was relatively very easy to install as well too. You pretty much mount it to your mulch anywhere on the ground, and from there it just turns on, and you're just done right there. And not just that, but also you could, like I told you guys before, you could pretty much mount it to your wall as well too. But I opted and I chose to do on the mulch because it's much more easier for me to do it that way. But yeah, overall, if you're looking for something to brighten up your home during the holidays and want to give ambience and pretty much a entertainment source to your home, then this right here is definitely a game-changing product to have. And I overall am happy with this product, and definitely would recommend it if you're looking for something to change up your entire home of your exterior.